Okay, so I will upload both of these. Okay, so what we are doing is that we were trying to find the second derivative of this Asian matrix. Sorry, of this one. So it is summation. If I will try to do the derivative of it with respect to beta 1, it will be this one is 0, this one is 0. For this it will be minus of summation xi. So summation xi is basically n x bar, right? So it will be n x bar, and this one is same n x bar. uh, Here now we need to do by the second one. Now so if I will do del 2s del beta 2 and do the second derivative of it, it will be del 2s by del beta 2. So this one will be minus 2, uh, and this one will be minus 2 summation of this xi. uh, so here it will be on doing with respect to beta 1 again, it will be minus 2 summation of minus xi, and there's one xi already, so it is summation xi square. So it is summation, sorry, all of it have 2 xi square equal to 1 to 2. Now if we will try to find the determinant of h, so determinant of h will be 2n and then multiply by this, so it will be 4n summation of xi square minus 4 n square x bar square. Now we know 4n summation xi square minus x bar square, this one is variance of x. So variance is always greater than 0. So 4n variance of x will greater than 0 always. Okay. So h is positive definite, we say, if it is this. So what we were trying to find is that if it is second derivative greater than 0, that means it is having the minima at those point. So it is its second derivative h, that's determinant greater than 0. So that means it is having the least one, so minimum 1 point for these beta naught comma beta 1. Okay. uh, so its global one will be found at this point. Okay. So this one is least square estimation. Okay. So next we will just say these are some points we say. So we have fitted regression model as beta naught plus beta 1 x. Okay. And then the residues. So we say these are residues. So residues are basically what is the real value and what is the, so ei will be this minus yi cap. So these are the residues of the data. The next is that we need to implement all of these in R. So we need to fit all of this in R. So that will be the last part of our class, because the questions related to this are very simple and similar. So I have not made different questions. We will see here only. So the data we have taken in the last class, we are taking the same data again. Uh, just a minute. So the data we have taken in the last class, so it is NB and R, we are taking the same. Now, uh, to fit it, what we need is that we need this LM. Okay, so we will go to help and we will type here LM. So here you can see that what is the formula, uh, what is the data, what are the, if there is any subset, if we need to give any weights, what is the method. So the method, you can see it is QR. So it is, I think, quantile regression. The model is true, X is false, Y is false, QR true, singular, dead, etc. Okay. So it results, what is results basically, that is important. So it will give us the coefficients. So what is beta naught, beta 1, what are the residuals, so that means what is the real value of y, what is the uh, found value of y by using this model, and how much the difference in between these. This is the residual. Then the fitted values, what are the real values, what are the fitted values. Then rank, what is the numeric rank of this fitted linear model, what are the weights of this model, if we have given any weights, what is the degree if we are doing any other functions, and then x, y, etc. This is same. So and then what is the model. So how we need to write, it is lm y and then x. Okay, so it needs to be y. So y is number of runs dependent on x. So if I will run it, you can see that what is the formula, NRNB. So how NR is dependent on NB? What are the coefficients? So coefficients are basically 11 and NB. This one is intercept and this one is the slope, right? Uh, so here, based on our data, we can write that uh, our model has fitted number of runs are 11.5231 plus 0.8135 and NB. Okay, so this is how it is dependent on our data, right? Now, if I will try to find this, so we were firstly plotting what is our data and then this. So I have plotted LM, NR, NB and I have done its color as red. So you can see that this one is the best fitted line. So this one is the regression line. Got it? So this one is our regression line. Now, after finding the regression line, what do we have? We have this uh, coefficient. So coefficients we already know. Uh, then from the help. So from the help, we will see that what are the other values we can get from here. So if I will write coefficients of LM, NR, B. So it will give me these are your coefficients. Now these are the terms we can find from here. So coefficients we already know. If I will try to find fitted dot values, so these are the fitted values. Now uh, these are the fitted values and then we will find residuals. sorry, it is NR and then NB. So these are the fitted values. Okay, let me just remove this for the so we have these coefficients, these are fitted values, and these are the residues. So real values, so real number of runs is 18 and fitted one is 18.84. So residual is minus 0.84. So you can see that here it has increased, then decreased. From the plot also you can see that uh, so when it is number of balls were very less. So when it was two. So when it was two, it is one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eighth position. So you can see that at eighth residual is very high, right? So it is 13, and then so this one is 13. This value is 13. From here you can see that it is very close, this is very close, etc. These are all very close. So these are the residuals we have. Okay. The next, so these are all terms I think we need to find. So we have the residues, we have our line. Okay. So this is basically regarding for the today's class. So now if you have any questions based on this or regarding the previous class, you can ask.
From this residual is the if we want to have is the deviation from the observation or original deviation,
Uh, this
original
one,
observation.
yeah, so we have the original observation and we have the fitted model. So the difference between fitted model and the original observations, we have the difference between it as residuals.
Okay. So the simple the residuals will be that sum of the residuals will be the value sum exactly the arithmetic sum.
Uh, no, so if I will take sum of the residuals, so let's say if I will define,
In this case here,
let's say I'm defining it as ls. So if I will do sum of ls, you can see it is very less. So we do not do the sum of ls, we do sum of this ls square. So that will be least square estimation. So
okay,
these
least
are the
square.
residuals, and then we need to take the sum. So you can see that here error is very high, right? From the plot also you can see the error is very high. It is way too far from here. There are a lot, very less points which are here. Also, whenever you have the data, let's say it is very small data. So whenever you have very small data, there is high chance that you will get the error so much. In the small data the error is not so much. Sorry, in small data
Big
error
area.
is
Yeah.
high
High.
because you do not have enough number of points to get this line.
Okay. Right now.
Okay, so did you get any reply from that forum, the
No,
question?
ma'am. I'm not. I posted the
Hmm.
questions and my answers, but I have not received any reply
No, not in
on
the
the
mail. Have you posted it in the place I have
not even mail and not on the discussion forum also.
Okay, I will try to find the contact of this.
Because
Sorry.
in the next assignment also I got some problem in the answers. I posted
Okay.
all those three, but I have not received any communication from the NPTL.
Okay, okay, okay. Let us see what you have to say.
Because then what is happening? The assignment marks have gone down below 90 in some of the two assignments, I think so.
Okay, here you
Yeah,
have posted.
yeah. In one of the forum, I said just only question number two and three, whereas it was two and four in the last assignment, eight.
Why you have not posted your answer here?
Okay, because that was there in my assignments.
Okay, but
That's why
you
I didn't post.
in the assignment you just take one mark, na? You do not
Yeah.
give the whole answer. So you try to do in r or any place. So you try to do in r or in just by hand, and try to put a
Okay.
one page of it, and then say that it is the answer, and I have got this answer, so is it wrong? ऐसे करके.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll do it. This has been seen by many, but I don't think any official from the NPTL they have not replied at all.
Yeah, they have not replied for other also. Like here, they have not replied for the stratified
Oh,
function. So for me also, stratified function was not working, and that is why I think I have taken some other library. And based on that, so I will give the answer of this. Uh, okay, okay. So I think he has not seen any of this. That is why he has not replied. Uh,
okay.
okay. Okay, so you try to post it again just with this, okay, with your.
I'll post my answers as well,
Hmm, okay,
and then
okay, okay. So for the today's class, I think it's clear. If you will have any question, you can just go through and then ask in the next class.
I think it's okay, ma'am. I've submitted my assignment,
Hmm,
the assignment number 9.
hmm,
There was one question in the sum of the residuals.
hmm,
It was coming somewhere, so I could not get that. It was coming somewhere in minus, some very low.
hmm,
Whereas the data was, the example given was, the data was very small data. That
hmm.
was,
Huh, so some was very less in our case also. So you can see na, sum of ls is very small.
here also. Yes,
So
yes.
sum of the residues is small, but sum of residues is square is greater.
Is slightly greater. Okay. In this
Yes.
case here, the sum of the residuals, when I found this by making from the R only, I solved it. So I found somewhere in minus zero point zero 0.00. So square, it will be near to zero.
Yes, it will be near to zero. Okay. Okay, so if there are no question, I will end the class. And I will
Okay.
upload this class because it was broke in between. So I will upload in two parts.
Thank you very much.